Okay, so for you who doesn't know, Kara is the least like dog person ever. She doesn't hate dogs.
She just doesn't like them. Dogs do things I don't like. Like, see, look at this. Okay,
But
relax.
they're like, look, kisses, Tinkerbell. Give her kisses.
No.
Give her kisses.
No, don't do that. Give her spirit there.
Aww.
Puppy.
They're kissing each other.
Lesbians.
They're mother and daughter, so that's
God,
incest. But she's so cute. Tinkerbell.
I know. Okay. There you go. Thank you. Hi, Cheshire.
Look how fat my dog is. She's got boobs. It's because she had babies. She needs a tummy tuck.
Yeah.
No, but really, you guys have to get a close up of this. Look at her belly.
No, I know.
Is she gonna hump her? Get her, Portia. Get her, Portia. She's sitting on her face.
I know.
Portia. Hi, Portia. Tinkerbell. Hi, Tinky. Hi, Tinkerbell. Pork chop.
Oh, they sneeze.
Yeah, they do
Gross.
sneeze.
Don't sneeze on me.
Portia. She's
Looks
gonna
like
sneeze
a
again.
gizmo.
Like an Ewok. Portia. Portia. No. She's so freaking ugly, but she's cute. Say good night, Tinker.